Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe and bell notification so that you are notified every time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making my holographic lip gloss. And you guys, if you don't know, I have been rebranding behind the scenes, and a part of my rebrand, my lip glosses will be made even better. So for this mixture, I just use olive oil. I don't use all those other oils that you guys see me use in my previous video, and I will link that video in the cards and in the description. But with this gloss, olive oil goes really well. It actually makes the color more deeper, the pigment. So yeah, I'm just doing that. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the video, and for each each lip gloss that I do, I use different oils for each one. But a part of my rebrand, I will only be keeping a few glosses since it takes a lot for me to make, all these different glosses, and I'm actually a hair business and I have bangles too, but lip gloss was never part of my business, so I only make 10 of each color that I have. And all my old glosses that I won't be bringing back, I just give them away for free whenever someone purchases. But I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the video, guys. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I will be posting twice this weekend, so stay tuned and make sure you guys subscribe so you can see all my videos. And let me know down in the comments if you like this video, as well as what you guys would like to see next. And thank you guys for supporting me. We are almost at 200 subscribers. So yeah, guys, I'm really happy about that. But I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video because now I'm rambling. Bye, guys. See you in my next one.